Hello UniPlot community. In our previous video we learned about formula creation. What is more frustrating than 5 persons in a team with different ways to compute the same thing? Today I want to show you one way to share a common formula database in UniPlot. This will improve the data quality of your report and will help you save time, as only one person will manage the formula for the whole team. You can see here this will be our local folder, the one that is on your computer, and then a network folder that is shared by everyone and that anyone can access. Okay, so today we are going to work with one file. Let me show you this one, for which we want to compute several things. But first I have to say to UniPlot where my formula will be saved. To do so, we will go to Tools, Formula Configuration. This window consists of several checkboxes and some path entries. Here you can decide to activate formula calculation or not, to calculate formulas during the data import, or you can compute it afterward. You would prefer not to override the imported channel with formula channels. It means if a channel has the same name as the formula, the imported channel has the priority. And you can create a backup file before a formula file is overwritten in case you modify one of your existing formula. But now we are interested in this path where you will say where your formulas are saved. Here you can see that there is a default formula path, but for this exercise I will remove it and I will add a new one. So I will have my local folder for the moment. Okay, so you can see it has been updated. We will create a simple formula based on this auto industry recording file where we have injected quantity. So I want to make the integral of the mass flow rate to get the injected quantity over the cycle. So I have my formula written here. I click on OK and the formula should be created. If I close, injected quantity, it's here, and I have my integral. And you can see that in my local folder, my formula has been created as long as with the formula library and some log. Everything is working fine. Now let's say I am a formula manager for my team and I want to have formula available for everyone. So now I will go to Tool again, to Formula Configuration, and modify the path. I will add a new one. So I will create a new one, I will look for it. So in this case I will copy this path here. And we have it here. I click on OK. I have my second path. So you will see that the order is really important. Okay, now let me create a new formula. I go back to my file, I right click, I want to add a new formula. So this time it will be a simple integral of the speed. Okay, so we'll have kilometers per hour. Okay, so now you see that the formula was created here, not anymore in my local directory. And now if I look for the speed, you can see that I have it here. So we saw how to create local formula, network formula. Now if I am a regular user, not the formula manager, what I have to do is to get the same path, but the network should be the first one and the local the last one, in case you have several places where your formula are stored, because all your local formula will be saved in the last folder that is registered in this place. Okay, and now again I go back to the role of the regular user. I will try to create a new formula for the vehicle speed, or take the maximum value, let's say. So I will call it max speed will be equal to max of speed from Excel. OK. And OK. This was created in my local folder, so I can still go on and create formulas. And I have access to all the formulas on the network. Okay, this is all for today. I hope you learned something and that you will be able to work in team on those formulas and use UniPlot in the best way. This was Adrian speaking. Thank you for your time. Any question, do not hesitate to write at support@uniplot.de, where our team of experts will answer all your questions. Thanks.